Hello everyone, and welcome to what I'm going to start calling Teardown Tuesdays because it sounds pretty cool. On today's Tuesday Teardown is this DVD drive. Now, I've disassembled a DVD drive on the channel before, but that was an IDE drive. This one is SATA, manufacture date of 2010 by Hitachi, and this is a DH30 in. Now I have a couple DH20 ins, and they've proven to be very reliable, so I'm not sure what's wrong with this one. Well, it won't open, that's what's wrong with it. You press the button and it won't open, it's stuck. I tried the good, hit it, and it still didn't open. Now also, it sounds like there's something in there. That could be a loose part, but it really sounds like there's a disc in there. So first thing I'm going to do is use a bent paper clip to open the emergency eject thing. The door opened fine there, so I have a feeling it's a motor issue. Well, it's a math CD, it looks like. Not all of it is filled, only a little bit is. This would have been really helpful last year when I was taking Algebra 2. I might pop that disc in my own drive in a second and test it out. For those of you new to the channel, I work with my school's IT department on, mundane tasks that I kind of enjoy doing, but, it saves them a little bit of time, like replacing failed optical drives, that kind of thing. But then I get to keep the old one. So that's why I have so many. Should be it for the bottom with just those few screws, yep. Oh, that is very simple. Compare that to the IDE drive we took apart a couple months ago. Wow. Is this supposed to have something? Okay, now the cable's just bent over. Wow, that is a very simple construction. It looks like they've definitely found a way to reduce the cost of these drives as much as possible. So there's probably an issue with the motor that drives this. This thing is pretty screwed, honestly. It might not be savable. Yeah. There is an issue with the eject mechanism here where it won't, now the tray won't go back in, so the gears are just jammed. Now I could try and just, you can force it back in, but it won't come back out cleanly. So this one might just be a lost cause. Although it is interesting to see how this mechanism works. So it uses this gear right here, that's the actual motor to open and close the disc tray. And then this long gear here raises and lowers the actual spindle and laser that read the disc. So I can use the laser for parts for another drive. Also on the inside of the lid, CD drives have this mechanism. The CD would go like this, and it allows it to spin freely without any resistance, but still applies pressure to it. Algebra 2 TO. Sure, I'll accept. What am I agreeing to? What is exam view? Oh no, I don't want to install something. Quit. Wait, is this not? What is this? It's 2 gigabytes. So I think it's a DVD that they just didn't use all of. Power presentations? Is this like PowerPoints? Oh wow, this is literally what I learned last year. This is probably copyrighted. I don't want to show too much of it, but it's just math curriculum. I'm filming this a little later, but it was kind of cool and I thought I should include it. So this is how the emergency eject mechanism works. So when the thing is inserted to actually press it, this flips back the transport goes down, and the door would eject were it still intact. So it just works like that. So it's looking for a disk. If I press the eject button, what does it do? It's not very happy. There we go, killed it there. So I think if I just start it with a disc on the spindle, I hope it doesn't fly off. Oh hey, that worked. It's making some not good sounds, but it seems to be trying to read. And that's why it has the thing on the top to keep it in place. With a light colored disc like this one, you can often see the laser through it. It isn't sitting right, so I gotta reset it here. That should be better. Because there's nothing to keep it level, so it'll spin the disc and then it'll start trying to read. And that's the laser you can see through the disc. I'm just looking at it through the camera. I'm not going to look at it in person. The computer keeps restarting for some reason. So that's why, okay. It's trying and failing to read. Oh, there we go. Did it this time. So I moved the end of the disc there. And because it's not plugged into the computer, nothing will actually happen. But if I shut it off and then... Oh, that was almost cool. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. I have another Teardown Tuesday coming up next Tuesday, and I'm going to be disassembling a videotape. So if you're interested, subscribe. But that's it for this one. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.